Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block your house on Google Maps using Android. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started. Tap open your Google Maps application and make sure that you're logged into your Google account. You must know that your address in Google account is visible to the entire world, and if you want to block or blur your entire house, then you can easily do it with the help of your Android device as well. In order to do that, search for your area of your home and enter the Street View mode. Tap on the overlapped icon at the top right hand corner and now tap on the Street View option under Map Details. Select anywhere on the map that views your home, and now as soon as you spot it, tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner and tap on Report a Problem. Open it up with a web browser and you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. You'll be able to see your house picture displayed on the screen with a little red square. Simply go ahead and place your house in the middle of the square. Make sure to cover your entire home, and soon after you do that, go ahead and select what would you like to blur in the picture. Select My Home and provide more information while you are trying to do so. You can type in privacy concern or any other reason that you have. Scroll down, and if you want to report the image quality as well, select one of these options over here, and once you are done entering all of the information, type in your email address into the email address text box. Provide your email address correct and tap on I'm not a robot on the next field. Finally, tap on the submit button and wait for the response from Google Maps. That way, you'll be able to block your house that is visible to the entire world on Google Maps with a few simple steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.